Hi, I'm Phil Bainbridge, and this is a quick tutorial video for the blog post Find and Replace in a Google Sheet. So I've got a copy of the Google Sheet already, and the idea of this tool is I have a find list. So I have a list of terms or words that I want to look for, along with the replacement version of them. So I want to correct them, typically the formatting in this instance, or the syntax of the word itself. I have a raw data sheet, which is just an example. So I've just got a few columns of some data, and it's actually column 2 where I've got the services, as I've called them, that I want to go and find and make the changes of. So there's a couple of things to fill out in the welcome sheet. First of all is the name of the tab which contains the find and replace items. So these are the find and replace items here, and that tab is called find list. So I pop that in that box there. Next, it wants the column number of the terms to find. So these are the terms I want to find. That's column 1, and column 2 is the replace column. So terms to find is 1, and terms to replace is 2. Next, we want the name of the tab containing the raw data. Now I've actually called that raw data, so I'll copy that name into there. And then we want the column number of the raw data containing the items to be corrected. So this example of the tool targets just a specific column, as I mentioned. So it's column 2 on the raw data that we want here. And then the last option here is the name of the color that we want to change the updated cells to. So this is just so we can identify which cells have been modified. So in this example, I'm just going to put the color yellow. So that's it. That's all I needed to fill out. When you're ready to run the tool, if you go to the admin menu at the top and run find and replace, the first time you select this, you'll get an authorization pop up, which you'll need to accept, and then you'll need to run the tool again. But as I've already ran it once, it will just go straight ahead and do that for me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch to the raw data because it's going to happen very quickly so we can just see what's happening. So I'm going to run that. I'll get a little pop-up at the bottom right, and it runs very, very quickly. So what we can see now is even though I've got a couple of 117 rows, it started to fill in and correct with yellow the changes it's made. Okay, so we can see now xray is written with a capital X and a capital R. And that's it really. That's an example of what the tool is designed to do. If I wanted to try and run it again, I can just undo that and reset the data. Thank you very much.